In this video, I'm going to share with you guys an Australian accent. Couldn't code for a New Zealand one, but we did build a Australian one, and it's a gentleman. It's a male. And again, same thing as before. I'll go over it with you in a minute, but this is a preliminary one again. So I'll have my phone. Let's see how quickly it will call my phone. Okay, so here we go. I'm now clicking please call me. 1001, 1002, 1003. So 1003. So 3 seconds-ish. So I'm going to now answer this call and you'll be able to hear everything. So, and the accent. Okay, so here we go. Hello?
Hi, may I speak with Brian, please?
Yeah, speaking.
Hi, Brian. This is Grace calling from Refresh Renovation. I'm an AI assistant, and if it's okay with you, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the form you filled out online before transferring you to the appropriate renovation specialist. So how can I help you today?
Yeah, so I'm looking to do a renovation in my house, my kitchen. I want to get my kitchen renovated.
Thanks for sharing that, Brian. And by the way, this call is being recorded for quality assurance. Would you like to schedule a free in-home assessment, or would you like to know more about our kitchen renovation services?
Yeah, maybe tell me more about your service for kitchen renovations, please.
Absolutely, I'd be happy to explain. We offer a full range of kitchen renovation services, including kitchen planning, new floor plans, cabinetry, scullery, luxury and modern kitchen designs, and even architectural kitchens. We also partner with Black and Interior Design for specialized designs and virtual walkthroughs, so you can really visualize your new space before any work begins. Is there a particular style or feature you're interested in for your kitchen?
Yeah, I'm thinking more like a modern kind of kitchen, a modern look.
Great choice. Modern kitchens are very popular and can really add value to your home. We can help with sleek cabinetry, modern appliances, open layouts, and stylish finishes like stone bench tops or glass splashbacks. Our team will work with you to design a space that fits your needs and style. Would you like to schedule a free in-home assessment so one of our consultants can come out, see your space, and discuss ideas with you? Or would you like more details about the renovation process first?
Yeah, more details, please.
Here's how our process works. First, we offer a free 1-hour consultation at your home. During this visit, our consultant will discuss your goals, ideas, and budget and assess your kitchen space. They'll explain the renovation process, answer your questions, and offer advice on the best next steps. If you decide to move forward, we'll create a detailed design and quote. We handle everything from sourcing quality materials to managing tradespeople and scheduling, so you don't have to worry about the details. We also help with council consent to make sure everything meets building codes. Would you like to book that free in-home assessment to get started?
Yeah, you know what? But first, what kind of pricing am I looking at? Like, what should I expect pricing wise?
Great question, Brian. For kitchen renovations, pricing generally starts at around $30,000 to $35,000 for a standard renovation. This would include reworking the layout, new appliances, and a kitchen island. The final cost depends on the materials you choose, the complexity of the project, and any specific design requirements you have. If you're looking for luxury finishes or a more complex design, the price can go up from there. We'll give you a detailed quote after the in-home assessment so you'll know exactly what to expect. Would you like to go ahead and schedule that free assessment to get a more accurate estimate for your kitchen?
Yeah, let's do that. That sounds good.
Great. Do you have a good preferred day or time for your appointment? We can work around your schedule. Just let me know what works best for you.
Okay, how about like Monday, maybe Monday morning?
Let me check our availability for Monday morning. We have availability on Monday between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. Does the time in that window work for you? If so, what time would you prefer?
Can we do 11 a.m. on Monday?
Yes, 11 a.m. on Monday is available. I'll book you in for that time. You're booked in. What is your address, please?
So my address is 36 Belvedere Boulevard.
Just to confirm, your address is 36 Belvedere Boulevard. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're all set. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. Do you have any other questions?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and our renovation specialist looks forward to assisting you. Thanks and take care.
Thank you. So you can see that it went in immediately. This works for Google Calendar. I created this thing so you guys can actually get all all the benefits. So it works day and night, like I said. So it doesn't matter if a call comes in at 3 o'clock in the morning, it doesn't matter. The script is customizable. This is just me creating a script based on my own knowledge, which is very limited in the renovation space. So we would get some feedback from you guys to see what you guys like. It can be a male or female with an accent, as we talked about. I think this one's a really good one for you guys that we created because it's a male and it has the accent. Unfortunately, couldn't do a New Zealand one, but I had an Australian one. I hope that's okay. We can slow it down or speed up the voice. It calls within 4 seconds. So if you have leads coming in and they are share with competitors, as we were talking about, you'll be the first to contact them because that was 3 seconds that happened, which is like the call came within 3 seconds. So pretty much you'll be the first one. An event is created instantly and update the lead's calendar, whether it's Google or Outlook, etc. The voice agent books the lead, updates your CRM, records and summarizes the call. If a lead did not book, and this is a big one, the lead can follow up with them. Let's say we program it so that it follows up the next day or 48 hours later or whatever. It remembers the conversation. So it would be something like, hey, John, I remember we were speaking last week about you want to do a a kitchen renovation and you wanted more of a modern look. I was wondering if you still want to have that free in-home assessment or whatever. Like we can create the scripting, but the follow-up can happen, and we can do this via email and text as well as a nurture sequence, or we can just do the voice. It's really up to you. And by the way, this is still not the final product. I want to be very clear about this. There are some things that I would improve. We usually do about like 2 to 3 weeks of rigorous testing on our end and on your end. We have conversations about it. We give it every possible scenario, like within reason, obviously, that the voice agent would say. And then I just change the code to respond the way we want it to respond. And then we update the script. And then if the lead wants to speak with someone on your team or your team they'll get a verbal summary. So let's say the person says, I want to speak to a human. The voice agent will say, okay, no problem, transferring you now. And then while it's transferring, your team member will get a call. And in that, they'll say hello. And then the agent will say, hi, this is the voice agent. Here's a summary of the call. And it'll lay out these guys want a kitchen renovation. They want it to be modern, all the data that they got that's relevant. So that when the AI clicks, accept, not the AI, sorry, your team member says accept, then they are now versed and they don't have to repeat everything, which would be a very annoying to the customer, right? So the customer experience is really, really good. And then all this information is updated in a CRM or Google Sheets or both, so they can seamlessly carry on the conversation. So I hope that helps, guys. I'm really excited about this because I'm really excited about this accent. I hope I nailed it with the Aussie accent. So thanks so much, and we will speak to you soon.